Hey, what's up? Are you always like trying to figure out what exactly do I want to make for my next reel? Well, that's okay. I got you. Trust me, I do. So, some of the most popular things out there is cooking, right? So, let's ask Google Trends. Better yet, let's ask Bard. Now, not everybody has this capability because my Tropical Tranquility Holdings Gmail account, just tried it with Bard, forget it. But this account that I'm working with has access to Google Trends. And let me show you something real quick. I think you're going to like this. Hold tight. I got you. All right, just so that people can see, good to know that you have access to Google Trends. Yes, I use Google Trends to help me understand the search trends and patterns for different topics. This information helps me to better understand the need of the users and provide them with the most relevant and helpful information. So it even gives you an example. If you're writing a blog post about a particular topic, I will use Google Trends to see how popular that topic is and what other related topics people are searching for. Also use Google Trends to identify emerging trends and topics. So Google Trends, it's free, but it looks into the search patterns of what people are really looking for. So if your target audience is mostly in foreign countries, you can look and see what they're searching for there. All right, so I've already got this. So what I did is I come over to Google Notes or Samsung Notes, and I just, I say select all, and then I hit copy, but I've already done that. So let's just go ahead. So I want to do a food reel. What is the most often viewed food reel? Base this on Google Trends. All right. So Bard's a little slow because he has access to quite a bit. They've taken the chains off. All right. Based on Google Trends, the most often food reel is the one pot pasta with sausage and spinach reel. I love cabbage and sausage, so it's not a surprise to me. This reel is popular because it is easy to make, delicious, and healthy. It is also a one-pot meal, which means that there is less cleanup involved. The reel starts with brown sausage in a pot, pasta spinach, that ends with the pasta being served with grated Parmesan cheese. So it even gives you what the other popular food reels include. So if you can replicate this stuff, because a lot of the AI on Facebook and all these social media platforms are based on these trends, and they're able to have access to things like this. This is a gold mine. So you have the keys. What are you waiting for? I put them in the door for you. You just got to turn that door now and take the first step. Take care. Do me a favor while you're here. Please hit that follow, like me, and subscribe. And if you think this helps you in any way, shape, or form, feel free to share. Please do. Thank you. Have a good day.